Hi, I'm Sam from Soudal and I'm going to show you our PU construction adhesive from our trade range. Now this product is a rapid curing D4 water resistant construction adhesive capable of bonding to both porous and non-porous surfaces. It's perfect for the general joinery of wooden materials, aluminium trims and corner profiles, even insulation materials such as polystyrene. This is because it's solvent free, so it doesn't have any adverse effects on sensitive materials. When applied, Soudal's PU construction adhesive produces a very rapid build-up in strength. In fact, it only takes 15 minutes to form a strong bond between two surfaces. The water class is D4, which makes it an ideal choice for both exterior and interior applications, especially in areas of high humidity, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Now I have a mock-up mitre joint here. Now I've used masking tape to tape the joint, so there's no sliding or movement while the product cures. Now the best practice is to humidify the surface with a light spray of water before application. The moisture helps accelerate the curing time of the product and also helps to improve the final bond strength. You only need to apply the adhesive to one of the surfaces, like so. You press both surfaces firmly together. Don't worry if any of the adhesive pops out, because we'll trim that off later. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get an extra piece of masking tape to simulate the clamping of the joint and to make sure that both pieces of wood stay in position. Right, that's done there. Let's put this to the test. Right, it's been just over 15 minutes now. Let's test the strength of the PU construction adhesive. Down here I've got a bucket of water. There's 10 litres in there and it weighs just over 10 kilograms. Let's use this to test the joint. As you can see, that is super strong. Pretty impressive after only 15 minutes. And that will continue to cure for another 3 hours and strengthen until it reaches its final bond strength. Tidying up the joint is really easy. The excess adhesive can be easily removed using a scraper. Like so. PU construction adhesive by Soudal. It's a high strength adhesive with a rapid curing time. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website www.soudal.co.uk.